Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Are you ready to kickstart your tech career at intersection of Ayurveda and information technology? The Center Counseling of Research in Ayurveda Sciences CCRAS under the Ministry of Ayush Government of India brings you a golden opportunity, the IT internship program. Work on real world projects in the domains of IT, Ayurveda, and digital healthcare. Get certified after successful project completion. Intern for 30 days to 6 months with a chance of extension up to 180 days. Collaborate with researchers and experts in a structured supervised setup. So, who can apply? Student pursuing or who have completed their B.Tech in CSC, IT, EC, etc. BCA or B.Sc, CS, IT. Application process is simple. Just fill out the form, upload your resume and certificates, get your college NOC and wait for the selection. Hurry, the last date to apply is 30th of May. So thank you. Please do subscribe my channel.